That daily word reminded me of a song in our hymnal. Let me see if I can find it real quick. It's called In the Silence. The lyrics are so beautiful. Somebody finds that, let me know if you find it, In the Silence. Because, okay, it's page 74. These words are so beautiful as we enter a time of silence together. Here's what it says. It says, in the silence, there is a sacred place, a secret meeting place. Love is there. In the silence, where every color blends and every rainbow ends, good is there. In the light, now you find that you have peace of mind. In the silence, your path is paved in gold, and all your dreams unfold. Love is there, peace is there, truth is there, God is there. Isn't that gorgeous? In the silence. We take that time every Sunday to enter that place. The silence is in us, deep inside. So as we prepare to enter that silence, take a moment and breathe deeply. And if you're comfortable closing your eyes, you can. If you want to have a soft focus with your eyes, you can do that too. Let any tension leave your body. Let your shoulders relax. Know that as you enter the silence inside, love is there. Peace is there. Truth is there. Whatever you're seeking is there. Whatever you're looking for is there in the silence. Inside you. That place of healing, that place of peace, that place of connection with the person sitting beside you, that place where you're connected with the divine mind, the universal mind, where you're connected with all good, all knowledge, all kindness, all knowingness, all being. All love, pure love, like shining out from 𝗪𝗪𝗀. And as you breathe in, and as you breathe out, know that that silent peace is available for you always. Always. And as we open our eyes and continue with our service, know that you are always purely, wholly loved. And so it is.